Hello AGDXs and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be looking at a little used feature of AGDX which allows you to create templates of scripts that you've created and then load them in. So let's take a look here. I've got a very simple script that I've made. It's just a test script that I sometimes use for my sprites. It tests each key and whether it can move left or right, and basically moves the sprite there. And the only thing I want to add to this, I think, is an animation as well, just in case I do have one. So I'll just save that off and make sure that that's worked. So what we want to do basically is, some of you will be familiar with the templates such as Manic Miner or Cybernoid and so on, and basically this is going to let us create our own. So what you do, choose the event. Here we're going to choose player 0 and you press X to export and it will take you to this screen. And what you can see here is that's the actual script data loaded into screen memory where it won't disturb anything else. And it also tells you that it's 38 bytes long. So in order to export this script, all we have to do is save that data off as a binary file. So we're in Fuse, so we're going to use save binary data. I think in Spectaculator it's export machine code, something like this. We set the start to 16384. And we set the number of bytes to 38 because obviously there it tells you how many bytes to use, and that's it. So you've now saved off the script. So let's take a look now how you can import it. And obviously what you could do is make this available online to share with friends and so on, and provide tips and help and that kind of thing. So as you can see, this is a fresh version. It's completely empty. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to miscellaneous menu, switch the templates on, and that will give us the option for importing a template. And as you can see now, if we choose player 0, we can choose the usual templates, but at the bottom there's an option there which says screen memory load. Now obviously don't press L right now. What you need to do first is load that binary into screen memory. So here you can see I called it basic test. I do have a couple of other ones there that I've used, and I might make those available at some point, but for now we'll go to basic test, select it, and the same place, 16384, load those 38 bytes in, and that will load it into screen memory, and you'll be able to see it there with this little bit of corruption. And now just press L and press yes to confirm, and there you go. Hey presto, you've now loaded that script into the event. So you can also use this, of course, to move from one script to another, one event to another if you want to transfer code. It's very straightforward. And I'll just create a sprite to show you that it's working exactly as it should. So hopefully, for those of you that are on the Facebook page, what we're going to do is try to see if we can build up a little library, share some scripts with one another, and hopefully teach each other a trick or two, as you can see there. So that's working perfectly, and this might help to bring a bit more variation into different enemies and things like this. And it's a nice community project, I think. So let's see how we go with that. Alright, so there you go. That's how you do it. Very simple, I'm sure you agree. And I'll be back soon with another video. Alright, so take good care, and as always, happy coding. Bye bye.